Hi everyone. Well, here they are. These are my baby turtles. The two real green ones are the red ear sliders, and the two up in the corner are the river cooters. Next week I have two Cumberland turtles coming. This one right here I'm a little concerned about. It looks like something's wrong with his shell. I don't know whether somebody's nipped at him or what. We'll get him under some heating lamps and UVB rays and see what we can do. See if it heals up any better. If not, I'll have to take him to a vet. Find out what's going on. Sometimes they get this way when they've been in water too long and nowhere to bask. And since these are babies, it may be the reason they don't know to go up to bask and get warm under a heating lamp. Their shells have to be dried. Both my tanks have a basking dock on them for them to get out of the water to dry off. If they don't, I'll take him outside in the sunlight each day and see if I can get him all better. They're just the cutest little things. I'm in love. Now I need to come up with names for them. As I get more of their tanks set up better than what I have them, I have some more ideas for them. I'll do some more videos on them as they're growing up here. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this. Bye.